to work on a little integration by parts. So grab your worksheet. We will need plenty of paper to do our integration by parts. And number 15 is given to us as the indefinite integral x times e to the 4x with respect to x. And using our integration by parts, one of the things that's very helpful when we do this is notation. Get in the habit of writing everything down that you're going to need to write down. And don't be afraid to use paper. Trying to fit this all in a tiny little spot is counterproductive. We select u and the remaining dv. Remember our little memory aid that I gave in class. And when we select u to equal x, du is equal to dx. And when dv is equal to e to the 4x with respect to x, integrating that, we get v is equal to 1/4 e to the 4x. And you can do that off to the side if you need to. But we know then when we have, I'll just make a little framework here, when we have this u dv, which we recognize now, our integration by parts, and again we talked about this in class why that is. I'll just write it out so we can map ourselves to this indefinite integral. U times v, we'll just simplify that as 1/4 x e to the 4x. So we've got the uv part. And then we're going to subtract, let's see, this indefinite integral v dx. So we've got a 1/4 e to the 4x dx, like so. So we have part of our answer right here, and what we have to do is we have to integrate to find the other part. So we'll do that. I'll just copy this down, 1/4 x e to the 4x. Now I'm going to integrate here. I have a negative 1/4 times a 1/4. I've got a negative 1/16 e to the 4x. Put a little plus c on there for good measure. We've got it all. There we go. So that's a quick little integration by parts.